Hey, Chongs! Don't let the sound in the back distract you too much, if you can hear it. Anyway, I just wanted to say I hope you don't vote or run for president, and I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean that in a good way. I mean we need you elsewhere. I hope that we can take someone that is exactly like you and put in there, because I would rather see you make a lot of fun stuff than being tied up in having to be president. But hey, that's just my opinion. I might have a solution though as to how we can find someone. We can take someone and drink them, get them real drunk, and then when they see two of you, we capture one of them, and then you just hurry away from there. And then that way we can have one of you who makes fun and one of you who runs the country. Anyway, if you go for presidency, I will definitely vote for you, even though my arm ain't far enough to reach across the sea from Europe and to America. Um, well, I think that I sort of don't know exactly what else to say. I'm not even sure if I remember remember to say hi, my name is Per. But anyway, I just wanted to say hi and say you do a lot of good shit, and I really like you. I hope that I at some point get a hold of your book, because it seems like that is about a lot of the stuff that I'm going through right now, and I definitely need humor to be able to convey my message exactly like you do. I would also like to say that I am so happy that you said that you will do what you can to get marijuana legalized, and I hope that more people have the guts like you to stand up and say, listen up, this is not the right way to go. We need to legalize this, and not think that we can remove a plant from this world just because we feel like it. Anyway, see you later, and hope to talk to you soon again. Bye bye.